Hello, my internet friends. As you can see, I haven't been making much on this channel. I've pretty much gone to TikTok, but I'm going to share my TikTok video I made on how I made this super cool Fasnacht mask that I wore this year to Helvetia. It's the two-headed cow. It's pretty awesome. Enjoy.
Making my Fasnacht mask. Part 1.
Almost heaven.
Find a cow pattern.
West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old.
Transfer pattern to 5mm Ava foam and attach with contact cement.
Then the mountains blowing like the breeze. Country roads take me home to the place.
Attach the two heads.
I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
Cover in foam clay. Check back for part 2.
Gather round her.
Fasnacht mask part 2.
Stranger to
Made a helmet using Kamui cosplay pattern.
dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine.
Attach the cow to the opening in the front.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong.
Fill seams with caulk.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama,
Cover with 3 coats of paint.
take me home.
Paint and done.
Country roads. I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. And